Hi, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy XCover 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display feature on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, because we should get the application from the Play Store. Unfortunately, we have now installed by default the AOD option in our Galaxy device. That's why in the search bar we should enter Muviz Edge. And now we should get this first application. So that's why tap to install, and let's wait a couple of seconds just while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, we should open the app, click Draw Our Apps, and here in this list of the apps we should find Muviz Edge application and tap on the switcher. Now go back to the application, tap Switch Edge Lightings to AOD and select one from these available tabs. Let's tap to apply it, and now let's lock the device. And we can see that we just successfully activated Always On Display feature on our Samsung Galaxy device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.